Hiamatweum is the archetype of inspired creation. To make inspired creation, we need strength and we need inspiration as well. So this dance is about strength, being strong in what you create, and also being open to inspiration so that you can create the most beautiful things that you can. Here we go. So this first movement shows both of those things. Praying for inspiration and also strength. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Pray. Bring it down. Pray. Down to the ground. One more time. Next move, same thing. We're asking for inspiration, guidance, and also focusing that prayer. The same prayer that here is in the hands comes down. This movement, and that's showing our focus. Because also with creation, we're focusing on what we're doing, focusing down, bringing the inspiration from here down to the ground. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. More time. 4. Up, down, up, down. 1, 2, 3, 4. The third movement is blessing ourselves with strength. Like this. 5, 7. Blessing. Strength. 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 Back to the left. Back. Blessing. Here's the strength. 2. Left back. Now right. Back. Left back. Now right back. And back. And last one. 1, 2, 3, 4. This next move is a simple one, just showing the strength, our power to create. Showing a move like this is called the cross arm. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Alternating the wrists, switching the wrists. Strength, getting your power up. Okay, so now we have hoed, we planted the seeds, now it's time to harvest. So pretend you have a sickle or machete in the hand here. We're going to cut, and then we throw the stuff back in our baskets or whatever we've got in our backs to carry our harvest. Ready? Here we go. 5, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Harvest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 3, 4, and 1, 2, 6, 7, 8. The last move is a celebration. We've created, we planted, we harvested, we have our creation. It has turned into inspiration for others, and we're happy and we're celebrating. Here we go. 5, 6, 7.
I know.